But none of that is going to be easy. And working together, you all are my family, and we're going to need to work together to get to the point that we can create that new way forward, that we can insist on that no tolerance policy, that we can make that commitment to New Mexico's families, and we can create the jobs that we need. Let me tell you, every single day, there's 5 Republicans who are getting up, thinking about one thing. Who can beat Diane Dennis? How do we beat her up today? What is it she's done wrong? What is it, did the Lobos win or lose? Is it her fault that they lost? That's the kind of thing that's happening. So I'm going to need all of you by my side every step of the way to help me win in November, because winning in November will help us create the new way forward in 2011 with a new governor. We know one thing. These are very tough times. There's no doubt about it. I hear it every day. I hear inspirational stories, and I hear stories about struggling New Mexicans. So here's my commitment. I will fight every single day for those job commitment, for that job creation, every single day. I'm on the side of New Mexicans. I'm on your side, and I'll fight like hell to make sure people know about that. I am on their side. That's what New Mexicans want from their public officials, is someone who's going to get up every day and say, what can I do for New Mexico? Not what can I do for me? And that's what I'll be doing. At the same time, I'm creating a new way forward in New Mexico, and all of you are helping me do that. I promise you, I'll be a new kind of governor. I'll be a new kind of candidate. I'll be shaking every hand. I'll be knocking on every door. I'll be visiting every nook and cranny throughout New Mexico to make sure that I hear the stories of New Mexicans. That when I go to the governor's office, they will know that I have heard their story, that I care about them, that I am committed to New Mexico. So I need you to be on that walk with me. Are you with me? Yeah. Will you stick with me? Yeah. Will you wake every morning and say, how can we help Diane Dennis be governor for New Mexico? Yeah. Will you wake up every day, more importantly, and say, how can we create a new way for New Mexico? Will you do that? Yeah. Will you promise me you'll get up every day, you'll knock on a door, you'll shake a hand, you'll tell somebody our story, because that's what New Mexicans deserve. I'm ready for the challenge. I need you with me. Will you be with me? Yeah. Will you march with me every single day for the next 232 days? Yeah. Will you work hard? Yeah. I'll work hard with you. Thank you all for your commitment, for the work you're going to do, for being part of creating a new way forward in New Mexico. Thank you.